We must harvest all this wheat right now! Fast!
Machine stopped. Is it broken?
Sweetie, I hear silence. Too much speed, not enough care.
It looked like fun and fast.
I'm sorry, Mama. Reverse and clean. The header is completely clogged. Whew! I brought the cleaning stick. Need help?
Hold that thought, dog. This needs a proper mechanic. Stuck tight! Years of buildup in this sieve.
I will stabilize the climb. Slow and steady, friends.
I see the clog. It is a whole wall of wheat. Whoa! Wheat block! This is going viral!
Don't film the tools, film the progress, squirrel.
Must pull the little pieces out. Good dog. Teamwork, everyone! Clear that corner completely.
I can help clean this.
I caused the slowdown.
The large chunk is free. Much better now.
Testing the engine. Everyone clear the works. Good! Now slow speed only, sweetie. Slow, smooth, and gentle harvest is the best. Field is tidy. Good work, everyone.
Restoring the moisture, preparing the earth for rest.
Tools must be respected. Clean them after a job well done.
The tension and the resolution. This vlog is a masterwork.
Slow and steady harvester's the best. I learned a lot. Perfect flow. See how clean the cut is now, sweetie? Tank is full. Time for the final reward, sweetie. Grain is so warm, like 1,000 little suns.
Now, the harvest becomes the smoothie.
Our very own harvest smoothie, full of sunshine.
For all the teamwork. A reward for everyone's steady effort. Careful, careful. Do not spill the sweet reward.
Now that is a quality harvest and a quality smoothie.
The post-clog flavor is chef's kiss. Subscribe! The lesson, sweetie. A clog becomes a clean cut. Patience.
Patience and teamwork. I will drive slowly next time, Mama.
To a slow, steady, and sweet harvest. Cheers! Every clog teaches a clearer path forward, sweetie. Cleaning up is part of the vlogging process, for sure.
Don't leave a speck. Clean machines last a lifetime.
This smoothie was worth all the hard raking.
We leave no trace. Just clean stubble and a tired machine.
The machine rests now, ready for the next good day of work.
It feels so neat now, like a clean slate for the field.
You saved the auger, Badger. Next time, slower starts.
It's what I do. And next time, I'll check the sieve first.
dreaming of sweet, pink, strawberry smoothies.
The long day is done. Time to prepare for the morning. A perfect ending title, all about the beautiful resolution.
The field is silent, sweetie. Listen to the peace we made.
I can hear the stars, Mama. Thank you for the lesson.
Ventilation is key. Let the cool air flow through. Work is done, the water waits, ready for a new day.
The key is hung. No more speed today, my little sweet driver. The tiny pineapple kept me safe and reminds me of slow. Good morning, son. Another steady, honest day to come.
Slow and steady. I remember the lesson.
Morning, team. Time for the next slow, smooth task.
Woof! I cleaned this extra carefully for you.
Good tool, dog. A little tweak keeps the clog away.
Logging the perfect smooth farm life today. No drama. Water is the future. Constant, gentle flow.
Slow, slow, slow. Respect the machine, respect the wheat.
That's my sweetie. Ready for a slow, good day.